In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive error 0x8004de40 or 0x8004de88. If you've encountered this issue, you're in the right place. We'll go through a straightforward process to help you get OneDrive back up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll need to bring up the run command on your Windows machine. This can be easily done by pressing the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. Once you do that, a small window will open on your screen called the Run dialog box. Now that you have the Run dialog box open, you'll want to type in 0x8004de40 and then click OK. This command will open up the Internet Properties window, which is where you'll make most of the necessary changes. Once you've got this window open, you'll want to click on the tab labeled Advanced. This section contains a list of settings that help control different aspects of your internet connection. Scrolling further down in the Advanced tab, look for the TLS settings. You'll see options labeled Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, and Use TLS 1.2. It's crucial for these options to be checked to ensure a proper connection. If they aren't already checked, go ahead and check all three of them. This will help establish a secure and reliable connection for your OneDrive service. With the TLS settings configured, the next step involves heading over to the Connections tab in the Internet Properties window. Once you're there, look for the LAN Settings button located at the bottom and give it a click. This action will open a smaller window where you'll make a final adjustment. Within the LAN Settings window, you'll find an option that says Automatically Detect Settings. Make sure this box is checked, as it allows your system to configure your network settings automatically, reducing the likelihood of encountering connection errors. After verifying and adjusting these settings, click OK and then Apply in the Internet Properties window to save all the changes you've made. We're almost done. There's just one more step: resetting OneDrive itself to complete the troubleshooting process. Resetting OneDrive will refresh its application settings and establish a fresh connection to your account, addressing any lingering issues tied to the error codes we're fixing today. With everything set up, you should now find that your OneDrive is working properly without those pesky error messages popping up. Remember, ensuring that your TLS settings are activated and your connection settings are on auto detect is key to making sure you stay connected smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped solve your OneDrive issues.